sleep deprivation is absolutely very similar to that. You wouldn't want to go driving after you haven't had any sleep for 24 hours. Like you would be making poor decisions. Your reaction may be slower. Your decision choices may be different than what it would be when you had a full night's rest. And so there is definitely a fine line, and we do see that. And I do think we push the envelope. There are a lot of restrictions nowadays, a lot of rules and regulations to try to limit those sleep deprivation shifts. We used to have no limits on working. I would say 30, 40 years ago, it was just unlimited. You worked. If you were asked to work, you worked. Nowadays, there are requirements that you're only allowed to work 24 to 36-hour shifts straight, and then you have to have a 24-hour rest period. You can't continue to work. Obviously, there are people who may be working more under the table, and that again is a hush-hush. You really shouldn't be doing that because of those risks and liability of making mistakes. And so, yeah, to answer your question, I think it's twofold. I do think it is to make sure that we can handle stress, but two, to make sure that it's just that the nature of what our culture and our workforce has instilled in us is making sure that we work a lot and sleep little.
Yes, we're doctors. Yes, we're lawyers. No, this podcast is not medical or legal advice. Do not take anything we say as a reason to perform your own heart surgery, represent yourself in court, or diagnose your neighbor's rash. This is for entertainment only. Think of it like hanging out with your smartest, wittiest friends, not a substitute for an actual appointment. If you act on anything we say without talking to your own professional, that's on you. Seriously, don't do that.